And the Fine Arts Society of Milton is getting ready to host its annual studio art tour this September. And as always, artists are inviting the public to their studios to share their love of making art. Here with more on the 2026 edition of the tour is Tuszynski from the Fine Arts Society of Milton. Welcome to the show. How are you?
Good morning, Rick.
Let's talk about the Art Society, or the Fine Arts Society. What are you guys all about?
Well, we're a collective of fine artists and fine crafts people, and we've been around for 30 years. Next year is our 30th anniversary.
Oh, that's
yes.
amazing. And
our artists span from Georgetown, Eden Mills, Carlisle, all the way through Burlington and North Halton.
Amazing.
So we've got over 100 members.
So how does this tour work? What are people doing?
Well, you're going to get a brochure, and you'll be able to look at all of the artists that are on the tour and pick who you would like to see. And then on the back, you'll have your map so that you can see if I go to North Halton, I'll be able to see these numbers in a day, or perhaps go into Milton, or try to do everyone on the tour over the weekend. It'll be a wonderful day of popping into each artist's studio, talking to the artists, seeing what they have created, and having a wonderful day out.
Now, do we need tickets to this, or do we just show up?
No, it's not a ticketed event. It's free. All you do is come to the artist studio between 10 and 5 on September 16th and 17th, and you'll be invited in to chat.
Yeah. How has this grown over the years?
Oh, we have been doing this tour for about 28 years, and it has really grown, especially geographically. And so we're so very happy that we've got artists all the way from Georgetown to Carlisle.
What kind of feedback do you hear from the artists and the people who are visiting these studios?
Well, the artists draw great inspiration from seeing other artists' work, and we have a variety of mediums represented, everything from acrylic to oil or cold wax and alcohol ink, but also things like garden art, metalwork, ceramics, wooden sculpture, all sorts of things that you can draw inspiration from. This year we've got something special going on, Rick.
Okay, what's that?
We have the juried show. So artists who are in the juried show will be exhibiting, and that will be one of the stops on the tour.
Okay, so people can vote on what pieces they like best, or studios they like best?
No, the jurors will be in charge of that.
Okay.
They can certainly mention it in our book if they would like that, but we still have 2 weeks open for the juried show, so artists who would like to be involved can submit their work to be in the juried show. Ah,
that's pretty cool. How can people, get about a minute, how can people get involved in the Fine Arts Society of Milton?
They can go to our website at www.fasmfasm.ca, and you'll be able to see the studio tour, the juried show. You'll be able to submit your work to the juried show. You can buy your membership and see the map. So it's all on our website and social media.
Very exciting.
We're going to have our brochures distributed throughout Hamilton and Halton. So we'll have that on our website.
Lots to see and do on the tour. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
I hope to see you there, Rick.
And you can find the links on our website, chch.com/morninglive.